Are you ready? B-Man, Soothsayer. Are your money? Hit a bet. Bad guys. Yeah, this a free bars. I just wanna shake my mouth. Open your ears, listen, let me say my mind. You wanna do like me, just take the mic. Soothsayer, bad guy, never fear no man. I keep mute, niggas never still shine. 2 years, no show, still top chats. Bogus, with a fake guys. Too much noise around for your cheeks tracks. Small boys, keep quiet. Never try the boss, I have no size. Rap game, you know I started. Boundary for you, never jump it. Let me come to your own level. Jolly to grandma, you the fever fool. This time in the sheets with a microphone. Me and the beats on the stage, I the dancer fool. Every day they are calling my name. Fans still love me, maintaining my fame. Industry breakdown on me, then blame self-interest. All man just a kicking game. I know you happy now, cause I'm out there. Do what you like, I'm not there. I'm moving ahead, you wait there. The favorites alive, doing cool, yeah. You don't fucking know about me, why you wanna talk about me? Who the fuck the hell are you? No time to even think about you. New artist, you need promo? Come to my side, make you know. I know you are seeking attention, cause your name in the list never mentioned. I can't drift with your fake impressions. Are your money on top situations? I see niggas wanna fucking talking about me, man. They don't fucking know anything about me, nigga. You better ask about me. I see all my niggas in the house. Still more niggas. Are your money team? Green Saver, my killer. Romantic baby, original GS. Never feel the last points. Always getting the best points. Soothsayer, bad guys. Green, white and blue in UAE. Trezor Bostos, Black Juice. I see all my niggas in the house. It's your boy Soothsayer. B-Man, bad guys. We the best on this, man. See all my niggas in the house. We the best music forever.